Hi guys, for today's video, i-edit natin yung anak ni Makoy De Leon at ni Elise Joson 10 years from now. Let's do this! So ito guys yung napili nating picture ni Felice. So FYI guys, nag-research ako about sa kanya. So as of now, 2 years old si Felice Mackenzie De Leon. Again, anak po siya ni Makoy De Leon and ni Elise Joson. Ang target look natin kay baby Felice is dapat magmukha siyang 12 years old since 2 years old nga siya ngayon. And again, disclaimer lang guys, yung edit natin or yung magiging result is hindi po siya 100% accurate. So ito lang po yung version ko kung ano yung possible na magiging look niya 10 years from now. Honestly guys, while editing, nakikita ko talaga sa kanya yung mami niya na si Elise. But malalaman natin sa dulo guys kung sino talaga yung magiging kamukha ni Felice. So let me know guys sa comment section kung sino yung naging kahawig ni Felice after nung edit natin. So that's it guys, I hope magustuhan yung edit natin for today. So ito yung naging result, ito yung before and after. Felice 10 years from now transformation. What do you think guys? Rate nyo nga 1 to 10.